So we're going to read Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Life. Tips from a cool cat for living an awesome life by Kimberly and James Dean. To begin. William Wordsworth. It takes courage. Be brave. Once upon a time. If you don't know where you're going, any path will get you there. Louise Carl. Go with the flow. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confuse ya. Keep it simple. Chill out. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Helen Keller. Far out with friends, you are never alone. Opportunity is missed by most people because it comes dressed in overalls and looks like work. Thomas Edison. Amazing things happen when you work hard. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Go for it, Pete. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford. Groovy, if you try, you can fly. Pete. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. If you want to be cool, just be you. Pete. Make each day your masterpiece. John Wooden. Look for the good in every day. It's cool to color outside the lines. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Pablo Picasso. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Eleanor Roosevelt. Nothing is impossible. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Plato. With a smile and a little kindness, you can make someone's day better. This too shall pass. Unknown. Above the clouds, the sun is always shining. Don't talk too much. A meowing cat chases no mice. Yiddish proverb. I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that won't work. Thomas Edison again! There are no failures, just lessons. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Attributed to Albert Einstein. Being different is very cool, and there is something everyone can do.